Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to clear up your Notion pages by deleting old or unnecessary comments? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process for removing a comment in Notion, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your comment section and keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to your Notion space. This is your main hub, the digital workspace where all your notes, projects, and databases live. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just pull up Notion and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, make your way to the specific page or database where the comment you'd like to delete is located. Maybe it's a project roadmap with feedback from your team, a personal to-do list with reminders, or even a shared article packed with discussion. Wherever there are comments, the process will be the same. Now let's focus on the comment section. In Notion, comments usually appear in the right-hand sidebar next to your main content, or sometimes directly alongside particular text blocks or database items. Scan through the comments, maybe you spot some feedback that's no longer relevant, or perhaps there's a duplicate message, or you simply want to declutter. It's totally normal for comment sections to get a bit crowded over time, especially if you're collaborating with others. Ready to delete? Here, where the magic happens. Find the specific comment you want to remove. When you hover your mouse over it or tap if you're on a mobile device, you'll see a little icon with 6 dots. This is usually tucked away to the right of the comment, acting as a sort of options button. If you're having trouble finding it, take your time. Sometimes it's slightly faded until you hover directly over the comment, so don't worry if it's not obvious straight away. Go ahead and click on those 6 dots. Think of this as the key to a tiny control panel for each comment. When you click it, a small menu will pop up with a few different actions you can take. Look for the option that says Delete. It should stand out, but if you don't see it immediately, just glance down the list. It's usually near the bottom. Clicking Delete will prompt Notion to remove that comment entirely. If you're feeling a little nervous about deleting something permanently, that's understandable. Just pause for a moment and double-check that you've selected the right comment. Maybe reread it to be sure it's the one you intended. Once you click Delete, Notion will usually ask you to confirm, just as an extra safety net. This is your chance to back out if you change your mind, no pressure, and that's really all there is to it. The comment vanishes, your Notion workspace looks cleaner, and you're free to move forward without distractions. Whether you're managing a big team project or just maintaining your personal notes, being able to prune outdated comments really keeps things streamlined and easy to navigate. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Have questions or want to see more Notion tutorials? Drop a comment below and I'd be happy to help. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Notion.